Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Anker PowerLine USB-C cable, which is a USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. It is a 6-feet cable, and this is the box. You can see the box describes us mentions us of other products, and the box is pretty simple. So yeah, we have to take this off to open it, so let's open it. Let's start opening. So I have a scissors here to break the seal. There we go, it is broken. And now we open the box, and you can see pretty much it's the cable inside. And yeah, so finally we see here that this comes with two other this product. Finally we see a product here, comparing it with my two other videos. The two other videos didn't came with the happy card, satisfaction card. This is a card that usually comes with Amazon orders, just so you don't leave a negative review. So usually some product comes with this came with that card, so it's pretty good. The other thing that came with it is obviously the USB-C to USB 3.0 cable that we see here, and it's an Anker brand. Anker is a well-known brand that made this type of products. So I'm going to be taking this off. It's nice that it comes with this, because that way it's nice that it comes with this, because it allows us to have to organize better the cables. So it's pretty much appreciated. It's rare to see USB cables that comes with this to keep our cables organized. So pretty much it's USB 3.0 to USB Type-C. And if we connect it to the phone, which I have here, which is the Galaxy S9 Plus, it fits. So yeah, it also works with the Galaxy S9 Plus, which is pretty awesome. So this unboxing really was really simple. So to conclude the video, we have the "Are you happy or not happy" card here. We have the USB cable here, and of course we have the box here. And with this I conclude this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.